What's happening? All right. I told myself today I was not going to trade. I saw a little setup and I really liked it. And it was just a quick little scalp down to this low. But I figured I might as well come up and explain to you why I was looking at puts in that area. So, higher time frames, y'all know that, right? 4 hour, 1 hour. Let's go to the 15 minute. This is where I saw my entry. On the 15 minute, I saw fair value gap, right? This fair value gap got created. We tapped in, respected it. Tapped in, respected it. Right. We tapped it and I saw price start to slow down. I saw we filled the entirety of the fair value gap. We started wicking. Right. I scaled down to the 5 minute. I mean, obviously now our bias is incorrect. But at the moment, fuck it, I'm just gonna put on replay for now. In the moment, this is what I was seeing. In the moment, this is what I was seeing. I was seeing price start to slow down. And then I saw this. This to me is a great, great confluence to be bearish. Right? Low, low, scale down, we break underneath that low, right? We create a low, we break underneath it. Let me play it real quick. Boom. Saw the break. I saw the EMAs tighten up. I really liked it. And to be honest with you, sometimes just market experience comes with certain like gut feelings. Like I have been in this market for a long time. I started to see these candles and the 1, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, it just started to sell me. Like it just started to like I was hooked. Like this wanted to take out this low. Even if we were not bearish, even if we wanted to go to the upside, which we did. I knew we wanted to take out that low. So I figured, okay, let me just at least catch that to the downside. I had two contracts. I took off both contracts. Exactly, I bottom with the candle, bro. Underneath, not even that here. Like it was underneath, like right there. Great trade, great trade, great trade. And then another confluence added up for second entry. We saw fair value gap right here. Another fair value gap. Came all the way up and got respected. One more entry. Could have caught another quick little scalp right there. Nothing crazy. But, you know, see, that was my trade, man. That was my trade. It was just sort of I wasn't even gonna trade today. I really wasn't. But I saw this file. I saw this liquidity right here. I knew we wanted to take it out. We looked weak. The candles looked weak, and I'm just able to sense that with market experience, and that's all. Now look. This is live. We are in 15-minute fair value gap, sweeping 15-minute liquidity, and these candles are not closing above. Y'all know what that means, right? Look at these candles, man. Look at these candles right now. This green line is our liquidity. Swept, drop, swept, drop, swept, drop, swept. Man, with a little inverse, trip to the downside might not even be too bad again. Let's see if price can develop live for us and see if my bias could be correct. I'm looking at an inverse, right? Let's see if price makes, or we're just bullish as fuck. Yep. Whatever. Y'all got the point, man. The whole point of trading is to adapt, though. The whole point of trading is to have a plan, and if things are going against your plan, don't trade. Once all your confluences line up on high time frames, on low time frames, it's like a puzzle. Like once the pieces all fit together, and you're like, okay, this is a trade. That's when you enter, right? I was thinking, like, okay, maybe we form a little 1 minute fair value gap. We inverse it. It would look great to the downside, take up the rest of this liquidity. But guess what? We just closed above these highs. So now that idea is completely balked, right? That's a word, right? Balked. Balked. Unwilling to accept an idea. Unwilling to accept an idea. Yeah, balked. Yeah, thank you, man. Quit playing with me. That idea is scratched out once you see a confluence go against your idea. You need an idea, and when you come into the market every single day, you need to have a plan. You need to have a plan. I come into the market looking for something, right? I'm saying, okay, well, we're in a 15-minute fair value gap. This could send price to the downside. So let me look for some downside momentum, right? I start to look at scale down. Once I see some downside momentum, I look for confluences on lower time frames to support my higher time frame bias, right? It's all a big puzzle, right? Once one thing gets thrown out of place, like I wouldn't even look at puts anymore because the way that candle closed. I wouldn't even look at it. I wouldn't even look at it. Just come into the market with a bias, with a plan, with an idea. In this area, I'm looking for this. In this area, I'm looking for this. And if you start to see confluences aligning it, perfect. If not, don't look at it. It's very, very simple. The only job you have is really just to learn your confluences. Really, like learn your confluences. Because look, we may not have inversed the fair value gap, but we may respect it. We may still inverse it. I don't even know. Alrighty, boom. Fair value gap's right there. Let me make it a different color so you guys can see a little better. Boom. Fair value gap right there. Will we respect it? Will we? You're constantly adapting. You're constantly moving around, charting. Fair value gap. Do we respect it? Disrespect it? Is price telling us bullish or bearish? What is price telling us? They're giving us the answers. We shouldn't be wrong. We should never be wrong. They're giving us the confluences and the answers. And if you're wrong, you're rushing trades or you're emotional. Your psychology is getting in the way. The market will give you the answers you need. The market will give you the answers you need if you just wait, stay patient, and know what to look for. Now that's what I'm here for. I'm gonna teach y'all what to look for. Right? Right now I'm watching this fair value gap. Right? We just came up above a 15-minute fair value gap, above liquidity. We have a lot of resting liquidity here. We're getting good rejections. Now we just watch. Right? We could easily just zip rip, but all we have to do is be an observer. You know, a wise man once said nothing at all. Sometimes it's best to do nothing. Just watch, just observe, and just watch what this price wants to do. Because I'm looking at this because I know if we do inverse this fair value gap, that's one confluence. If we break structure on the 5 minute, that's another confluence. And downside action looks fucking great. I'm sorry, it looks great. We have liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Scale out into the higher time frames, bro. We've been moving. We have been moving. We're sweeping liquidity right now. We have all of this. So I just want to see what price does. Like I said, I have no idea. But okay, now we're in the fair value gap. We just tapped it. So that is good. All right. Now, guys, do you guys hear me when I talk? Do you guys hear me when I talk? Because I was looking for puts in this area, and what happened? Man, look at this, man. I'm telling y'all, it is not that difficult. It is not that difficult. I have an area of confluence, an area of confluence where price may want to reject that I'm looking for confluences to align with all my biases. High time frame, low time frame. We disrespected that fair value gap. Now what are we gonna do, bro? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Yeah, watch this. And I'm glad I'm not in this. I'm glad I entered the first time, and I'm glad I'm just watching and calling this shit out. But y'all gonna see this video and say, "Oh wow, like maybe he's just lucky. Maybe that was a coincidence." No, this is price action. This is what price does. This is what I do. This is what I do. Look at this, man. This is gonna this is gonna hit this red box. This is gonna plummet. I'm telling y'all. But y'all get the point, man. Y'all get the fucking point. I'm gonna have people come up to me, man. Man, you're on replay mode. You don't know that. You're not profitable. How many coincidences can there be? How many coincidences are there? You think I just knew what price wanted to do? You think I just no? No, I made a whole YouTube video about this, waiting for that drop. And that right there could have made somebody $500 in a second. But nobody's tapping into the live Discord, man. Join the Discord, man. Link in bio. Join the Discord. I do this every single day. Like, I don't know if y'all realize this, but I'm a profitable trader. I do this every single day for the free. Who don't want money, man? Who don't want money? Vibe, hang out, BYOB. Fuck it. Shit, we kicking it. We kicking it. I got my electrolytes, man. Yap sesh over, man. Yap sesh is over. I don't know why I just went off like that. My fault. Great price action, great trade. I love the way it looks. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. Peace.